today's video, I want to talk. So let's see if that works. First of all, I changed my phone and I've got now the latest iPhone. So I hope it does work. The quality is a little bit better. I thought it was time to kind of like upgrade because I had the 14 Pro Max and now this is the 17 Pro Max. So hopefully the quality is better, and I'm using right now the front camera. Well, anyways, I wanted to talk about YouTube Shorts and copyright issues. So I already spoke about YouTube Shorts a lot of times in multiple of my videos, but there's something that I kind of noticed and I thought that could be useful to someone who is actually trying to grow on YouTube Shorts. So whenever I am repurposing my videos that are only 5 seconds long, I do not get any copyright issues even though I'm using famous soundtrack, really famous ones that were trendy in the 90s, 80s, 2000s, typical songs that you would hear on the radio, hit music, whatever. Well, if you use it for only 5 seconds, you are not gonna get any copyright issues, and I can tell you that because if you look at all my YouTube shorts, most of them are very famous songs, and my shorts are typically 5 seconds long, so not that long, and I never get any issues with this. But when I used just recently, actually today it was, I used a 9-second soundtrack of a famous song, and I did get a copyright strike, but it was only in some countries. So it's not even like on all the countries, it's only some countries, and it was only on a 9-second video. So for anyone who's trying to grow on YouTube Shorts, and if you want to use famous songs, you typically can, but I would recommend you just take some videos that are literally, and I've been testing that, so I cannot know for sure. If you use a soundtrack that is 5 to 6 seconds, definitely not more than 7 seconds, you're good. You're not gonna get any copyright issues. But if you do take longer videos, then it's gonna be an issue. Another thing that I wanted to point out is that if you actually repurpose your content from other platforms, and you upload it on your YouTube, it's not like you're using the music from the YouTube soundtracks, like where you can actually like pick music like on YouTube directly. You can choose a song on the YouTube platform. Well, it's not like you're doing that. If you do repurpose, then it's like the sound is yours, but it's actually a famous song. So I don't know if that helps, but from my experience, it kind of helped. So I don't know, like maybe it does help, maybe it does not, but I'm just giving you my experience. So I think if you're trying to grow on shorts, typically take videos that are really, really short. I technically don't even talk on my videos because it's a text on screen, very fast. That's all I want to do. I don't want to spend too much time on shorts. I want to spend more time on my long form videos. And again, even that, I'm not into spending hours editing my videos. I want to really take the bare minimum of time. I want to show people that you can do it without having a ton of time because we're all busy. I always said time is precious. We don't have much time during the day. You probably are already working or you're looking after your kids. You need to run the house. It's already a lot of work, right? I don't have kids, right? So I don't have kids. I'm not lucky enough to say I'm a mother. I wish I was, but anyways, that's another topic. But yeah, so I do understand people that are very busy with their families, and I am 100% sure that anyone can make it work on YouTube. You don't need to have much time, and I'm showing you that it is possible. Look at my videos, they're so simple. Everybody can do that. You just need to share your experience. And here I'm giving you an advice about YouTube Shorts from my experience. And I hope it does help someone, and I'm sure it will help someone, because why do you want to take um, the long route when you can have a shortcut? So I'm telling you, if you want to repurpose your videos, make them shorter than 7 seconds, not more, so you won't have any issues with the copyright. Again, the only issue I had today was it was restricted in 2 countries, but not restricted anywhere else, and it was not going to impact my channel anyways, but it was still a copyright strike. So just to let you know that it wasn't a big issue, but it's better if you just abide by the rules. You don't want to be a bad student on YouTube. But again, if you want to grow your channel, I seriously encourage you to do it with shorts. It's gonna help you a lot. I did create a little mini course, something that's less than half an hour. So again, I respect your time. I know we don't have time. It's a video type of course, so you can listen to it if you don't want to read anything. You don't have to read anything. I do believe that it's easier to listen and to watch a video to learn, in my opinion. So if you're like that, you will like the course. It's very short, 24 minutes exactly. And if you want to get it and check how you can grow on YouTube Shorts, go ahead. I'll put the link in my description. If you have any questions, I'm here to help. Again, if you haven't started your YouTube channel, please do it. You will be so thankful later on in life. It's not going to be easy at the start because it's going to be new, but I promise you, you'll be very thankful you did start. I'll see you on the next video for new advice, new experiences maybe that I have to share, or new tips and tricks about YouTube. See you guys.